So just a couple days ago, we're talking about a backyard deck that was inundated with a cheap Valspar deck paint that was peeling everywhere. We came in, we brought our deck rescue painters, our deck restoration painters in here, and we had our hands full. So specifically, tons of rotten boards from rust to rot. So rusty fasteners create rotten boards, and the peeling paint is typically what starts to allow that water in to cause that rust, right? And then everything goes downhill from there, and the customer starts experiencing rotten boards on their deck. Everywhere on this deck, probably we're talking 10 to 14 rotten boards, peeling deck paint, loose rails, thousands of cracks, thousands of hairline cracks, cracks in the post, big, large, ugly cracks in the post, splintering, fraying, severe weathering, right? These steps here, they were bad. So each one of these steps were rotten. So the deck rescue painters of 𝗙𝗏𝗏, we had to come in and replace these steps, just the steps themselves, not the riser. Okay, the riser was actually good. But what we did was, here's how we brought this deck system back to this drop dead gorgeous, high build, ultra tough, synthetic, very beautiful appearance from severely weathered and on the verge of dilapidation. We came in and we introduced simple washing, okay? A really stiff washing. And specifically with the emphasis on removing peeling deck paint, okay? From there, once that was completed, we came in and we did board replacement and repair. So we specifically came in and we pulled all the bad and rotten boards out of here, and we replaced with our ready to coat decking lumber. It's air dried for up to 90 days and it's ready to coat. Okay. So most new pressure treated lumber, it's not ready to coat immediately. So that's why you guys will see a lot of decks being built or a lot of decks being repaired, and their boards are just sitting there, new boards sitting there unprotected. They're waiting for those boards to cure up so that they can be coated and be protected. The problem is that creates a mismatched deck. It creates the customer not having the finish they want right away. And since all we do here at 𝗙𝗏𝗏 is restore and encapsulate decks in a lifetime deck armor system in Cincinnati and northern Kentucky, southeast Indiana, we can actually buy decking lumber in advance, store it up for that 90-day period, okay? Utilize it. Once it's cured up, we can utilize it for our projects. So we're constantly rotating out new decking lumber, right? And boom, the customer can have the restoration, the replacement they need, get it all coated all together at once, and they don't have a mismatched deck, half of it repaired, the other half not repaired, right? Peeling paint everywhere. Once that was done, once we got all the bad and rotten boards out of here, we put the deck through an extreme refinishing cycle, restoration cycle. That's where we went around and we tightened the deck up everywhere. We set down loose nails, set down loose screws, and then we came in and we utilized our world's toughest deck post crack filler. It's called silverback epoxy. And we used it to fill in the large cracks and knots and ugly knots and openings in the deck post, in the boards, anywhere there was an ugly knot in a board or a large crack in a deck post, any water opening or ugly void or imperfection in the wood, we filled in with silverback epoxy. It gets injected into large cracks, knife flat. Once it cures up 3 to 5 times harder than concrete. You can go at it with a chisel and a hammer. It's really, really tough stuff. It'd be like trying to chip concrete out of that crack. It's got a mean attitude that says, hey, I'm not like caulk. I'm way, way tougher. And I'm going to grab adhesion inside this crack and I'm going to hold it closed. I'm not going to allow it to reopen. So it's a different attitude and it works tremendously well. Okay. From there, once all that was completed, we absolutely turned our attention to encapsulating and locking down this peeling deck paint that was here on this Hamilton, Ohio deck system. We brought in the thick build, the ultra tough, the world's toughest deck armor, Kong armor, lifetime deck armor. And what we did is something we call peeling deck paint, lockdown encapsulation. Kong armor, it's specified specifically for the lockdown encapsulation of peeling deck paint, disintegrating flaking deck stains, peeling bare deck over. It can lock down and encapsulate peeling restore 10x. From the thinnest, cheapest deck paints and stains in the world that peel and flake, it can encapsulate them all the way up to the thickest deck coatings on the market, deck rescue coatings that peel and just flake off, right? Kong can encapsulate them too as well. Here's the kicker. No sanding needed, no chemical peels needed, no board flipping, none of that crazy stuff. Kong's exact task or its purpose, its specification, what it's on this planet for, is to achieve that goal. It's its job, right? So we brought it in here and we did that. 4 or 5 really thick high build coats on this floor, and Kong engulfed everything, all that loose peeling paint, all that, all gone, all engulfed under a thick high build ultra tough deck armor coating system. It's all gone now. There's none of it left anywhere. Any of that peeling stuff that was anywhere on this structure, inside, outside, it's all gone. It's over. It's locked down now for life. Okay, so now we've brought a deck on the verge of replacement, okay, roaring back to life via simple cleaning, restoration, repair, lockdown encapsulation with the world's toughest deck armor. 2.5 visits, it was all over, all done, right? So Kong armor is a lifetime deck armor system. So it's lifetime. Once you encapsulate your deck in Kong, you never have to fully go through deck painting, deck staining, any of that again. You can leave all that behind. So this customer now for life, they have a lifetime service promise, gives them access to annual cleanings, little spot touch-ups for things like edge of boards, or if their dog or something chews on a spindle, forbid, right? Little tiny things like that. Kong come out once a year, wash their deck for them, issue spot touch-ups. They have access to that for life. They also have a lifetime limited warranty now, where if they experience large-scale coating failure, something that's unfair to them, their whole floor is peeling up, they got a large area of their deck that's peeling, or coating and labor for life. So now this creates a situation where this deck owner, they don't ever think about this. From peeling deck paint to never having to worry about doing full deck painting or staining ever again. This color here, very, very beautiful. It is called Slab City Wood, and it's one of my favorite deck colors. I'll take you along the outside here and show it to you. It's a pretty deal. I like it. It's sort of a tannish cream color, and I think it goes really exceptionally well on tan sided homes, or homes where the color, the brick is not red. If it's like these type of bricks on this house, I think it's a really, really great color. Just beautiful, beautiful color, beautiful high build finish. Happy for this deck owner. They got to avoid tear down to the frame redecking. He was contemplating bringing in composite, which would have cost him about 30 grand. Here, he didn't. He paid a fraction of that. And he's got a better warranty and a local continual care program that will stay with him for life. Something he would have never gotten with composite, right? All right, well, look how beautiful that Slab City wood is in the sun. So check out more Slab City wood on our website, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 It's 𝗏𝗠garmor.com from Hamilton, Ohio. We've rescued another deck. We've saved another Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky tri-state deck owner from the extreme cost of replacement. See,